My name's Adam, and this is 4 Chords to Fingerstyle, and today we're doing the song Golden from the K-pop Demon Hunters movie. This song is really catchy, and I'm excited to show you how to play the chords, the melody, and we're going to put it into a fingerstyle guitar arrangement, so let's get into it. Alright, so here's how you play the melody. So now let's learn the chords. There's 4 chords in this song: C major 7, G, D, and E minor. And I'm going to show you how to play the chord voicing so you can play it around the melody. So in the beginning of the song, there's this little ostinato that repeats. And then on the last E minor, I hit a harmonic here up on the 12th fret, top 3 strings. And that's when the tempo changes, it picks up speed, and we go into the verse. So we're C major here, to a G, to a D, to E minor, back to C, to G, to D, E minor, C, and now we're going to play the A on top here, to G, to D, to E minor, to C, to G, D, E minor. Now we're going to play C major up here in the 8th position, then a G/D chord, a D major chord, E minor, back to C, G/D, D major, takes us into the chorus. We have a C major like this, D major, another D major like this, to G major, to D/F sharp, E minor, back to C, D major, another version of D, G major, D major/F sharp, E minor, and then we go to C again, D, G major, D major, E minor, back to C, D major, G major, D major, E minor. Alright, so now let's put it all together into a fingerstyle guitar arrangement. By the way guys, if you want to get the sheet music and tabs for this, become a YouTube member. Under the Fingerstyle Vault, I have all of my fingerstyle creations that you can view in SoundSlice. It's an interactive score. You can play it back, slow it down, loop different sections. So it's a great way if you want to learn and practice these arrangements. The link will be in the description. Guys, if you made it this far, once again, I thank you and appreciate you for being here. The link to this song is in the description to join the Fingerstyle Vault. If you'd like to find out how you learn guitar better, I have a free quiz called the Soul Signature Quiz, which I'll also link down below. I hope you enjoyed this cover. If you did, smash the like button, leave me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.